Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and I'm in North Wildwood right on the beach because the new bulkhead is being installed extremely quickly. It's actually, there's pieces of it being delivered at this very moment, and I figured I had to film this for you real quickly, mostly because they are doing this extremely fast. I mean, like blink and miss it. We were here 2 weeks ago and they didn't have any of these brand new pieces of steel on the ground, and at this moment, they're about halfway done. So before we get started and giving you a little tour, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can do videos like this and buy all the awesome equipment we have. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. Hey, did you know that you could sponsor our videos? In the first 15 to 20 seconds after our bouncer, your business could be here. If you want more information, shoot us an email at joey@wildwoodvideoarchive.com. And hey, you're not only advertising your business, but you're also helping local journalism. Oh, and I was not joking. Literally, here is more bulkhead being delivered at this very moment. They had to stop because they actually ran out. They're going that quickly. They're waiting for the next shipment to come in. But let's go ahead and actually go over this project. In case you don't know, over the past half decade, we've seen the city of North Wildwood do many different projects to shore up our shoreline. Ultimately, we get a lot of bad storms here, and so over the past 5 years, we've seen the administration built up these bulkheads from 3rd Avenue and kind of do different sections here and there. As the funding comes up, they build a new one. As issues arise, they build a new one. Well, now we're looking at a situation in which we pretty much need a bulkhead the entire length of the beach. And so right now they're connecting two different sections. One that was built not too long ago in front of the lifeguard station, which is actually right behind me. You can turn around right over here. They're connecting that one with one which is on the other side of all these shrubs. And the game plan here is that as these two meet, we'll be able to build up artificial dunes on top of that, walkways, etc., and that would protect us from any storm surge that may come onto the streets. The reason why we're having this emergency work take place is because of Mother Nature, erosion. And it's a weird situation we have down here because in North Wildwood, we have these shoals that are kind of being built off of the shoreline, which is actually weakening up the waves as it hit our beaches. And because of that, it's now created a whale's tail when it comes to our shoreline curve, something you'll see in the drone footage. So think of it like this. Because of the shoal here in North Wildwood, think of this as Wildwood, it kind of bumps out a little bit before curving back in towards 16th Street and then bumping back out towards Wildwood. And because of that, as you can tell, there's this very thin line of sand dunes being the only thing that protects the city of North Wildwood. And you can see that here. This is that big bump out, and it slowly comes back in unto where there really isn't much from the ocean all the way over here. And since we're now in the storm seasons, the crews really need to work fast to get this bulkhead up. And so actively right now, they are shoving down those pieces of bulkhead down into the sand. That big red thing on top is an HPSI vibration hammer. HPSI stands for Hydraulic Power Systems. And between the weight and the vibration of this, they're able to knock down this 35-foot tall bulkhead piece in the sand within roughly about a minute. To show you how they do that, you could see the mouth of the hammer kind of clinching on to the bulkhead. They vibrate it down about 5 feet, and then they go down to make sure that it's level and so that it's interconnected with the bulkhead next to it. And then 45 seconds later, it's fully in the sand. And they'll do this for every piece until the project is done. Let me show you one right now because they're just about to do it. Down fairly quickly too. It is super neat, but it vibrates the entire beach. In my video, you probably could tell the vibrations, and it's super loud. How neat! Now that they had finished installing those two pieces, they then will remove that vibrating bit, put on a claw, then drag those other bulkhead pieces off of the trucks, lift them into place, interlock them, and then do exactly what they just did over and over again until they go from that section all the way down to here. Many people don't realize that right over here is the end of the other bulkhead. That bulkhead, over the past few years, we've been seeing growth. We've been seeing trees and plants and other things grow on top of it, exactly what you need for a sand dune. It's gonna be to the point to where you won't even realize there's a bulkhead there. Funny enough, there are sections in North Wildwood where there are older bulkheads that you don't even realize they exist. Obviously, there are ones that you can just look at right now and go, well, yeah, obviously, Joey, this was a bulkhead. Yeah, it's one of many different protections North Wildwood does, but when you get closer to the boardwalk, there's certain sections under the boardwalk, which is also another bulkhead. Because remember, at one point, the water used to be under some of the piers. Obviously, we haven't seen that in quite some time, though in the drone footage, you'll see that the ocean is knocking on the doors of more of these piers. And you probably don't even realize where the bulkhead ends and where it begins because of how well it just kind of moves straight into Mother Nature and how it just looks natural. But the end of it is right over here. And you can kind of see it dip down a little bit, and then obviously here it's flat. This is why we need this bulkhead. And I know what you're saying, Joey, could you just put the seagull in the sky to give us a bird's point of view of what this project and the beaches look like? I will in 1 second, just one little note. The drone that we're flying, our seagull, is roughly about 4 years old. In the world of drones, it's kind of old. And so right now, we are putting together funds to purchase a new drone. Hopefully, if not by the end of the summer, maybe halfway through the summer. And so if you're interested in helping us to purchase a new drone, those things are, the new ones are about $3,600. Please do consider signing up for our Patreon page, get a lot of exclusive content. That aside, I'll put the link down below, and let's get this bird in the sky. So you can kind of make out where that fishtail is on the beach. Hopefully you got that long shot, and you can even see a little bit of Wildwood Crest, a little bit of a curve inward as well. There's one thing I wanted to address before we go, because as I'm actually recording this video, it was just announced from the city of North Wildwood that North Wildwood just got a $1.253 million funding so that you could do research for our beaches. This funding is broken down in 2 installments, $600,000 this year, and then $653,000 for next year. And it's not to do an actual beach replenishment project. It's to study our coastline and study different areas to see what is the best solution so that we don't have to do a beach replenishment every single year. And so that's gonna be over the next 2 years. Does that mean we're gonna be getting a beach replenishment project anytime soon? There's no information on that. I mean, we always hope to get another one soon, but it doesn't look like we're gonna get one for this year, possibly next year. But we'll see what happens. That aside, hopefully you guys get to learn something new today. It's not every day they build a bulkhead in front of you and you get to actually learn how it works. I never realized what actually goes into it. But let me know what you think in the comments section below. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'll see you guys on the beach. It's right over here too. It's gorgeous out. I'll see you later. Bye.